Hey friends, if you wish to enable memory saver in Google Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Google Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select settings from the menu. Go to the performance tab on the list on the left hand side and then search for memory saver. So memory saver is here. If you want to turn on memory saver, you can turn it on. However, memory saver has three modes. The first one is the moderate mode, then the balanced, and then the maximum one. Now I prefer balanced or moderate because maximum memory saver will also impact your what do we say performance. The tabs will become inactive after a shorter period of time. But you know what? I don't actually like memory saver because I have good enough RAM, but it depends upon your situation. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.